Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can calculate RGB values or red, green, blue values of any image with the help of simple MS Paint or Microsoft Paint. You know that once you are processing any image, you need to know the image RGB values or on the back hand every picture is composition of three different color: red, green and blue. So every color has a different value, and then of these three basic colors, and then that image or that color of image is basically generated. So in this video tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can actually calculate that specific colors RGB value with the help of simple MS Paint, right? So what we are going to do, this is just an image, and I'm going to open it with MS Paint. So I'm going to open it with MS Paint. Okay, now as you can see that this image is already open now. You can scale it uh, to any level. So I'm just uh, uh, zooming it out. Okay, now there is a special tool which is called Color Picker in MS Tool. I hope you have already observed it, but probably you haven't noticed its powerful strength. So this is the tool I'm talking about, and if you uh, click on this specific tool, you will see. Look, I'm placing my cursor on this specific tool. The name is shows Color Picker, and what it does, let me show you. So you have to click on it. Okay, currently I wanted to show you that the color chosen or color selected in this MS window. uh, if you want to notice, it is over here. Look, this one. This color is selected, which is basically black. And now I'm going to use this color picker. Let's see how I'm going to do it. So you see, this is a color picker. I select it. Now it is selected. And now whatever the place or whatever the point in the image for which I want to calculate the RGB value, I have to click it. For example, I'm interested in this area. So I'm going to click on it. And you see the color is changed, or the selected color is changed. For example, I'm going to choose another color. See, I click on this specific area and the color is changed. So it it is the tool by which you can pick the color. Once your color is selected or color is picked, then what you have to do, you have to use this option. Let me highlight it again, that option. There you can see it is added color, right? Because with this option you can actually added the color properties. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, look, so now you can see that that basic color is selected again, and this specific portion of window or spectrum of colors has been chosen. And furthermore, the thing which we wanted to check is RGB values, and which are shown clearly here. Red is 211. You know that basic color numbers in decimal system goes from 0 to 255 because it is an 8-bit number on backhand. Uh, and green is 116 and 68 is uh, for blue, right? So in this way you can easily calculate the RGB or red, green, blue values of any specific point of any image with the help of simple MS Paint. I hope you have learned this specific method, and this video tutorial was helpful for you. If you like it, please like my video. uh, and if you have any confusion or query regarding this method, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.